And the third thing we really want you to know about from today is the power of data masking. So this is one that's been around for a while, and folks who were trained in the early days of the information security discipline, it's normal for us to use what's called an ETL tool, which will extract data from the system, transform it into some kind of a format you want. And that can optionally include redacting things that are confidential or that somebody shouldn't see on a screen, and then load. So ETL is a type of a tool that people would use for general purpose data manipulation. And for a long time, it was really the only way to go after this problem and say, in order to avoid that inappropriate or unauthorized disclosure, remember, we're trying to keep an incident from becoming a breach here. The way I'm going to attempt to reduce my risk of unauthorized disclosure is to use data masking. So it's tricky. Infrastructure people, the people that run your databases, the people that take your backups and do your storage, they can generally get to that data without going through the app to do it. So you have to kind of pay a lot of attention whether you're doing this through the app or inside the security context of the app. The rest of us, the people who aren't the infrastructure superheroes, they have to go through the app interface. And so what good looks like with data masking, so to speak, is you have the flexibility as the people protecting the data to meet any kind of a need to know requirement. Remember that complex and rapidly changing map of legal mandates? We have to keep up with that. So we have to stay nimble and flexible. And inside the context of our application, we need to be able to match that data where it shows up